whenever you associate with a brand, you want to become like family. And me, Siddharth, Varun and Rajiv Uncle, we go so far back that it almost feels like I'm entering into my own family, because we are even neighbors. I don't think many people know that. We live about 100 meters from each other. We've grown up together playing tennis. We've grown up together playing all kinds of sports, but tennis mainly. We've had the same coaches. We've practiced a lot, in fact, at the country club. So to me, joining country club was when Varun offered me this, and we had a talk about it. It was a but natural thing to say yes, because it was as comfortable as coming into my own family. So thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I think we all understand and believe how important fitness is, how important being healthy is. Me as a tennis player, I've had 3 surgeries myself, and of course we've had different kind of injury problems, but all the more, I've come back from those, and I understand the meaning of what it means to be fit and healthy, and trust me, it is the most important thing in life above everything in the world. I think the idea of having these fitness centers, when Varun told me it's in the malls, my first question was, why is it in the malls? Because that's a new I think kind of thing. We don't see it very much in India, and the explanation he gave me was that it's trying to get fitness to the masses. It's trying to get fitness into people, you, me. It's not really for people who just play a professional sport. And I think a mall is a place everywhere goes, all age groups, no matter if kids, no matter if above 50, above 70, everyone goes. I think that once gyms and fitness centers are accessible to people like that, so easily and freely, it can be as good as going shopping, and you want to, you think, oh, this is a great place to do some fitness, and you go for a run. And I think that is what is going to change in the country and make it a fitter place and a healthier place. And I hope I can play my part in trying to help the country club fitness centers in making India a fitter country.
It is really a historic day today, because all I can say is that we are in the beginning of another revolution. A revolution in the health and fitness industry which nobody else has created. Country Club, my dear friends, as you all know, came up in the year 1990. Just one club and with 400 members. Today, we are having more than 3.5 lakh members. That is, if you take about 5 members of our family, we are having almost about 1.5 million members in our Country Club kitty. All the top banks in the country, whether it's the State Bank of India, ICICI, Standard Chartered, HSBC, all these banks are either co-branded or associated in funding the membership of the Country Club, because they find the concept very, very successful.